Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we are going to take an exclusive first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. You got that right. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is just the stripped down version of its flagship counterpart. On the front of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, there is a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with no curves on the sides. On the very top, you can find a hole punch camera cutout which looks good so far. Moving to the bottom of the screen, we get an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is still unfortunately an optical one and not an ultrasonic sensor, which is a bit of a disappointment. On the right hand side, we get the power key and the volume rockers on a metal frame, and it does not have the unloved Bixby button. Moving at the bottom, we finally get the 3.5mm headphone jack, unlike its flagship predecessors. Beside that, you can see a USB Type-C port which now supports 25 watts fast charging, but sadly no wireless charging on this phone, as the back of the device is made from a mixture of plastic and metal. It is made in such a way that it looks like it's glass, but it is actually not glass. In order to reduce the cost, Samsung has not used any glass on this device. And at the corner we get the S Pen, which works exactly like the flagship Galaxy Note 10. Though there is no gyroscope, the gestures works pretty great. Talking about the internals of the device, this device comes with an Exynos 9810 processor, which is based on 10nm technology, paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded with an SD card. Talking about the cameras of the device, we get a triple camera setup which looks similar to the Pixel 4. The main camera here is a 12MP camera with f1.7 aperture, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP 2x telephoto sensor. The front camera here is a massive upgrade, which is now a 32MP sensor, which should perform well in any lighting conditions. If you want me to make a separate camera review video of this phone, let me know by leaving a like. The battery on this device looks great, as it contains a 4500 mAh of battery, which is even bigger than its flagship versions. The phone comes with One UI 2.0 on top of Android 10 out of the box, which is really nice to have. The phone will come in 3 colors of black, red, and a gradient white. Personally, the red one pops out for me, but that's just my own personal preference. Talking about the price of the device, it will be around 550 euros or $600 if it hopefully comes to the US. Well, that's it for now. I'll also be doing a full review of this phone, so make sure to subscribe the channel and enable the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.